Something awesome happens if you use banana peel as an ingredient. Every time you peel a banana and dispose of the skin, you're throwing away a tasty, nutritious snack. A recent study has shown banana peels, if they're blanched, dried, and ground into a flour, they can be turned into baked goods that taste just as nice, if not better, than wheat-based products. And unless you're a devoted reader of vegan cookbooks, blogs, and Nigella Lawson fan, you probably never considered cooking with a banana peel. But not only is it perfectly safe, scientists also demonstrated it's really good for you. When the experiments produced the products were taste tested, consumers reported they were just as happy with the flavors as they were with peel-free sugar cookies. And you'll even get a generous helping of minerals and cancer-fighting nutrients enriched with banana peels. For instance, the sugar cookies made in the study contain much more fiber, magnesium, potassium, and antioxidant compounds. On the downside, adding too much banana peel flour did result in cookies that were somewhat brown and hard, possibly from the extra fiber. But when batches were made with flour containing 7.5% banana peel, the texture of the cookies hit a far more appealing balance. As a bonus, the goods also kept well in the shelf for 3 months at room temperature. And when the study only looked at the consequences of adding banana peels to baked cookies, the results suggest that using banana peel flour in breads, cakes, and pasta might also be worth considering. Recently, for instance, a study on banana peel cake found the yellow skin of the fruit provides a natural food color to the baked product as well as nutritional boost. A 2016 study, meanwhile, found that substituting up to 10% of wheat flour with banana peel flour can enrich baked bread with higher protein, carbohydrate, and fat contents. Not into baking? Nigella Lawson has used banana peel in curry, and vegan bloggers have recently popularized the idea of banana peel bacon and pulled peel pork. And eating the skin of this fruit is not just a healthy option, it can help reduce food waste. Around 40% of the banana's weight is in its peel, and most of the time this nutritious packed skin is simply thrown away, as we know. Now sure, the banana peels are pretty useless when raw, but if they are prepared right, they can actually taste pretty darn good. They can possibly even extend the shelf life of some products, as the peels have antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. And the same goes for other fruit peels too, like mango skin, which was always found to boost a cake's antioxidant properties and improve its flavor. So the next time you strip down a banana for fruit inside, consider keeping the skin, and your belly might thank you later. This was published in ASC Food Science and Technology. It's on Science Alert by Carly Casella. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.